Hi, and welcome to 5755 South Jefferson here in Springfield, Missouri. We're located in the south part of town in the Kickapoo School District. This is a beautiful home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Let's come on in and take a look. You'll find this home has a vinyl plank throughout. It has a gas fireplace here. Has the trade ceilings, ceiling fans. Nice area here. There you can see the fireplace. It is a gas fireplace. You have a dining area right here. Gonna love this kitchen. It's got granite countertops. It's got the dishwasher, flat top stove. Has a refrigerator right here. Has a large laundry room right here. All a completely separate laundry room. Now we'll go ahead and let you take a look at the garage. One of the things the tenant said she liked the best about this was all the shelving in the garage. Definitely very convenient. Now we'll go on back through. Let you take a look at the bedrooms. Here is your primary bedroom, again with the high trade ceilings and the ceiling fan. Also has the vinyl plank flooring just throughout the home. This has a very nice walk-in closet here. And then it has its own bath right here. Has the granite, the newer fixtures, tub shower combo. Very nice. A little linen closet here. Here is the main hall bath. Again, we have the granite, the newer fixtures, tub shower combo. Here is the second bedroom. Closet right there. And we have the third bedroom here. Now we'll go ahead and come back through and let you take a look out the back. Has a little patio here. Right here, we're on a corner lot. There you have 5755 South Jefferson here in South Springfield, Missouri. We look forward to seeing you.